gonna be my eyebrows. As y'all see it, I have the Sally Hansen wax for body, and I'm just gonna use it on my eyebrows, obviously. And I used to do this all the time. I just stopped because I was getting my eyebrows done. And then only reason why I'm doing it today is because my eyebrow place is closed. So I'm just gonna go back to my roots for a second. You know, even though I don't want to, but it's okay. I have plans tonight, so we not about to be walking around looking crazy. So we gotta do what we gotta do. But the lashes look good, so we about to go get my nails done now. So just gonna, I took a shower, as y'all seen. I'm just going to moisturize my face so I can walk out this house. So I'm driving 14 minutes away to this nail shop. It's called Nails by Me. I was going to Milano, but I'm not about to pay $75 for a refill, and they don't even last a month. So we go try out some place in the hood. It's literally so annoying because I just got so lazy out of nowhere. I didn't even feel like putting on a real outfit to go to the nail shop. You know, you having those like random bursts of energy, and then like when you really start doing stuff, you get lazy. That's me right now. So hopefully this nail shop visit is fast so I can come back home later. I just got to the nail place. It's called Nails by Me. It's in Houston. Yeah, like I told you, I was going to the ghetto anyway, so I'm not about to bring my camera in there. I just don't feel like it, and I'm already kind of shy as it is. So the camera will be left in the car. I'll see y'all when I get done. So I got my nails done. As y'all see, it's the fact that it's like the shop wasn't even in the hood. It just, I don't want to pay $75 for a fucking refill. Like, that don't even fill in whatever they call it. I just don't want to spend that money on something so basic. I literally get a French tip. Something so basic. Like, y'all, it just be crazy. Especially with the way people have these prices nowadays. Nail shops and everything. I miss doing my press-ons, but I also don't miss doing my press-ons because you know, when I start back doing my press-ons, I need to get the technique better, because whenever I put the builder gel on, it'll still like end up bubbling, and then like I can just peel it off myself, and that was getting very annoying. So that's why I took a break on the press-ons and went back to actual nails. But yeah, y'all, you know, that's just my little 30-second rant. Like, what the fuck? So I got back home, y'all, and now I am going to curl my hair. I need to take a nap, y'all. I just felt so out of it. But now it's time to get ready for my little dinner. So that's what we're about to do. Okay, y'all. So this is the end. What's this? Oh, fuck. This is the end of my maintenance vlog. Stay tuned for Get Ready With Me. That will be dropping on Wednesday. If y'all want to see the finished look of tonight, what I wear to my little Valentine's Day dinner, let me know, because a video will be coming. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.